How to fix camera icon missing on Xiaomi. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is launch the settings application on your device. As you launch the settings application, simply tap on the about phone option and make sure that you have an updated version of your device over here. As you check on for your updates, what you can simply do is go back and check on your storage just to make sure that you have enough storage on a device that is available for you. After checking on the storage, go back and simply launch the apps option over here. Then tap on manage app. So here, simply tap on the search bar and search for package installer over here. So you can just search for package installer application and you can get the application over here. So simply tap on it. So here you can simply tap on clear data and clear the cache and tap on OK. Go back and search for camera again. And here it shows the icon or the app. So let's tap on clear data and clear the cache and tap on OK. Now you can just relaunch and search for the camera. If that doesn't pop up, you can just make a long press on power button, then tap on reboot and restart the device. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.